you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've.
Hey guys, what's up? Naveed here on Naveed's View. This is the Samsung Galaxy A71, latest come out from the Samsung A series. If you are confused from Samsung all mid-range phones, I will not blame you. Samsung have very strong mid-range phones, in which A71 is top one. So let's go and check. We will start with the display and design. You won't surprise, A71 made with a plastic, but material looks like a glass, and it shine and it gives rainbow kind of looks. Even though it's plastic, it doesn't feel like a cheap. I am very surprised why they don't have IP68 water resistant in it. A71 is very large phone. It's 6.7-inch display, but its profile kind of slim. It's very light and very comfortable in hands. Screen itself is of course Samsung Super AMOLED display. It's flat and not curved. It's have 1080p screen resolution, punch hole camera, same like A51 selfie camera. Content looks great, sharp and contrasty as you expect from Samsung display. Colors accurate too, but it's blend too unless you turn on the vivid mode. You don't get the HDR10 support like the flagship models. But screen do the great job in terms of brightness, 515 nits in brightness with auto switch on. Always on display will show you the time and notification. You will get optical fingerprint on screen. It feels bit slow side, but it's usable. The best thing in this, you have a 3.5mm jack which Samsung flagship models missing. Sound quality is through headphones. It's great, loud and clear. Loudspeaker quality is also pretty decent. The storage is UFS 2.1 and 128GB. It's expandable and you can put 2 SIM. So it's dual SIM and plus memory card. Samsung recent all phones running One UI 2 and operating Android 10. Overall it's clean and fast. It gives you dark mode, so you can save little bit battery. Hardware of A71 is Snapdragon 730G, which is the best mid-range available chipset right now. It's better than 675 last year model A70. A71 did a great job on benchmark. It runs the all games without hanging and without overheating. Let's talk about the battery life. A71 have 4500 mAh and it comes with a fast charging up to 51% in 30 minutes. Moving on to the cameras. Cameras A71 have a shape L quad camera setup, 64 megapixel primary sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and depth sensor. Missing here is a telephoto. In daylight, Samsung A71 main camera shoots a very nice 16 megapixel photos. It's coming with a nice contrast and lively photos. There is a 64 megapixel mode and the benefits over the 16 megapixel is minor and file size is quite huge too. Portrait camera also looks great. That have a very nice subject detection and a pleasing defocus background. 12 megapixel ultra wide angle and 5 megapixel macro lens. Let's talk about selfie. 32 megapixel selfie turns out good with nice colors and with dynamic range, nice detail. You can record 4K videos from front camera too. It looks quite good. Back main camera 4K video with 30 fps. It's excellent, more than enough. On 1080p you can record video with video stabilization. There is also super video stabilization, which looks very awesome. In $400 or $450, it's pretty comfortable dude. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. See you in next video on Naveed's View.